Hi, I'm Marna and I collect Blythe dolls. I have several. I love them. They're like potato chips. When you reach in that bowl and get one, you're like, whoo, look at this. This one has green hair. This one has black hair. This one has pink hair. This one has different lips. Oh, look at this. The eyes are set a little different. And oh, they have a chubby one and a smaller one and a tiny one. And it's a thing. It's a real thing. I love them. And I'm waiting for a few more to come. And my husband is the type that if I want something, he will move heaven and earth to get it for me. And when I was deciding, when I ordered my Blythe dolls from AliExpress, and I liked the green hair and the blue hair, I would say to Darren, I want both, but could you get me the green hair? Here would come both, and sometimes a little more in the package. I'm spoiled. Yesterday we had one of our date days, and it was so much fun, and I found some things, and when we came home, the mailman was nice to me. I have waited forever for these dolls to arrive, and I mean forever. Ooh, am I excited. And that's all that's in this bag. I ordered these quite some time ago. And the thing with Blythe dolls is you name them. You can change their eye mechanisms. Their eyes change 4 colors, 2 directions. And making outfits for them and finding shoes. And oh, it's just a thing. And it's really fun for those of us that like to craft for the dolls. In fact, I bought some stuff yesterday for that, and it's fun. They have gift exchanges, and you can do video collaborations. Boy, there are some people that can custom these dolls, that is, repaint their faces. And I would like to do a shout out to one of my subscribers that has a very small channel. This person is so good at customizing. There are few people that can blend colors and make a face look so natural. I wish they'd come do my face, let me tell you. I could use makeup like that. They're in Thailand. So the letters are not what I recognize. There's really no talking, it's music, and they're usually short videos. But it's pronounced, I asked, But Sabah, and it means, it's Thailand, and it means flowers. And we're going to put a link to that channel in the description. So here are my 2 new Blythes. Why did I get these guys? Do you know who Shelley Long is? How about Diane Chambers? She was an actress on the show Cheers, and I saw this doll, and it just reminded me of Diane Chambers, i.e. Shelley Long. And I love the lips and the setting. Look at those eyes. Isn't that the coolest? You just pull this little string, and the eye mechanism changes. I love that. And then this one, I know a lot of you see Wednesday Addams from the Addams family in this doll. And yes, I absolutely want to make some Halloween outfits for this doll. But I also had a friend named Wendy Lauber, and I swear she looks like this doll. But look at those eyes. Now this one, the eye chips are a little different than what we've been getting. This is a softer, more realistic blue than some of the other dolls. But I just love those. Not too long ago, a couple of weeks ago or a week ago, J Dolls UK and I did a Blythe Christmas outfit and hat channel collaboration, and it was so fun. I can't wait for Valentine's Day. We're going to do it again, and we're including some other people that craft for their Blythes. So I am looking for some things for that, and I found something I have not found in many years, and that is the fake fur. And well, they have some, but it's not like it used to be. I found this. I can't tell you how excited I am. I can't wait to make some Blythe hats out of that. J Doll UK, Jay is a sweetheart, check out her channel, made a bare-eared hat for my Blythe doll out of this soft fake fur fabric. I love it. So now I have this and I'm going to do some things. I have some ideas. Don't I always say that? We went in a thrift store and they didn't have too much, but they had this pattern. And at first I thought it was for porcelain dolls because I don't know, it looks porcelain dolly, but for 25 cents an uncut pattern, I couldn't resist. Well, I got it home and it's for 18-inch dolls. This is 18-inch doll patterns, and look at all the pieces that this pattern holds. And I didn't notice it at first. I just saw the pattern, and I like this because a lot of times I take these patterns and I make them my own. I do different things. Usually that's what I do. But look at this little hat. It is almost a beret, and that will probably fit both the 18-inch dolls, American Girls, Our Generation, My Life As, that type of 18-inch, and also the Blythe heads. So I was excited to find this pattern, and I won't cut this. What I'll do is I'll take a piece of paper and draw around the pattern. Darren gets a kick out of it because I put it up in a window when the sun's coming in so that it comes through and I can edge that easily. I also found these little chairs at the Dollar Tree, and I bought these before, but I wanted to see, I'm trying to come up with a craft for these little chairs. It's okay, my dolls need furniture, but I wanted to see, probably need somebody in an outfit. Let's see if Ireland can sit in one of these chairs. I do the nude girls, but they'll probably slide. I don't know if it'll hold the head or not, but I am willing to try. Let's see, let's kick her leg out for a little motion and balance. I don't know. Can you hold the chair? I don't know. I wonder if I attach a pillow to that, if that would hold on to her. Let's see. I don't know, but they'll work for Barbie. That's why they're just so cute. 2 for $1. How can you pass that up? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.